Feel out.
Don't worry. Is it alright?
Yeah, it's all fine.
Thanks.
Don't worry.
Oh.
I'll just go, hey, that's me.
Yeah, you get more likes, more views.
From Whelan made took a photo and he got me in the background going, hey, you got my good side, because he sent that to me the first time I met him.
Yeah.
And I took a photo with him facing away.
No.
It's always good.
Yeah.
Just get it back.
Great.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, you can do it if you want. Come on.
I'll do it when I'm taking photos so you don't notice. Take photos of buses.
I don't care anyway, so it's fine.
Nah, I don't care who gets in their photos.
Right.
Even if they don't know who I am.
Yeah, you do it fast and then you be like, what? Even if I'm not looking. I'm not looking on my. Same. Trams just like you spot it, you spot it.
Yeah.
Not much trams here though. Melbourne they're small.
Melbourne's packed.
Yeah.
I don't go to Melbourne.
Loads of trams as well.
My friend went to the Gold Coast and took some photos of the Gold Coast transport.
Oh yeah, Gold Coast, yeah, there's trams.
She never takes photos of any transport, but she thought since she was up there and the trams were right in front of her, she took some.
Oh yeah.
Appreciate it.
But Brisbane, their buses are pretty boring. You always get Vogons and Vogons and Vogons. Unless you go to Logan City,
Unless
they
you're-
have Bustech.
Unless you're obsessed with Walgreens, it's terrible.
Yeah. From time to time, you get a custom bandy with Brisbane Transport.
Wait, I want to post on my story. Oh. I'm just gonna post that. I don't even care. I'm not adding anything to it.
Oh, yeah, sorry. You know, with the power banks, right? You gotta get 3 if you go out the whole day. So I don't know, just in case.
My battery is ultra efficient. So I go out. I went out at 2 in the morning once, and by midday I was at 30%.
Oh yeah.
So that was almost 9 to 10 hours
Yeah.
on less than one battery. By about 2 o'clock, I got the 15% and then I popped it. And I got home at 9 p.m. and it was only about 50% charged. So
Oh,
I
nice.
didn't have anything to worry about. I still had at least 2.5 batteries worth of charging.
Oh yeah.
My phone is that efficient.
Yeah, great.
That was when I was up at Maitland. I got